Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simren for those of you who don't know me yet and have stumbled somehow upon my channel. I haven't been as consistent as I could be, but no problem, we'll work on that. I have been so grateful and thankful for all the others who have already been watching my videos and all my friends and my family who have been encouraging me. So thank you so much, guys. And I finally bought a tripod, so that is why you can actually see me. And I put this pretty dupatta up that I bought from Sarojini Nagar in India. It was for like, I don't even remember, 200, 150 something from Babu Market, and I love it. I wanted to put it as a backdrop on my bed, behind my bed, but I haven't been able to do that yet. So here it is, and I think it's making me look really pretty. But yeah, I bought a tripod for me. I still haven't bought a camera, so I'm still shooting on my phone. And it's okay. We're growing slow and steady, and that's okay. Sometimes you have to be slow and steady and not worry about rushing someplace, but take tiny steps. So I'm doing that right now. At least I'm trying to. But yeah, so just recently I was able to make a friend, and she is like a photographer here in Idaho, and she thought that I was beautiful, in case you didn't notice. I'm kidding. But but yeah, so she wanted to take pictures of me wearing an Indian outfit, so I borrowed a really pretty red kind of like a sharara, but not really, kind of like a suit from a friend, and we went and did a photo shoot for her. And the pictures turned out super cute. So this is a look that I created for that video. So I did a smoky eye, and it was super fun, only because this was the first time ever in my life that I did a smoky eye, and I did not look like a crazy scary person after like the whole look was finished. So I was really impressed with how it turned out, and if I can do it, guys, you all can do it for sure too. I will also be making a video about on the whole photo shoot that we did, and it was super cute. I had a friend who was able to bring her GoPro with her, so the videos turned out really cute. I'm gonna put it together soon, and then you will be able to be a part of that photo shoot with me as well, and I'll be uploading my pictures from the photo shoot on my Instagram. If you already haven't started following me yet, please follow me. My name on Instagram is simply Simmy, SIMMPLY. I will put a link or the name of my Instagram somewhere down below, so you guys can see it. And yeah, and I almost forgot to tell you guys, I am gonna be announcing something at the end of the video. Please stick to the end if you want to know what the big news is. Since now you're done listening to me blabber for like the longest time, let's get into the video and let's get the smoky eye look up and going. First of all, you need to make sure that there's no hair on your face, because then the makeup will get on your hair and you will get super irritated. So let's push her hair back. To give a base for my eyeshadow, so the black and all the other colors that I put on my eyelids pops up. Then I'm taking this brown transition shade from the Wet n Wild palette, and it's going to go on our crease, and I'm just gonna blend it and keep adding a little more so you can actually see the transition shade. And then when we add all the other colors on top of it, all the other colors are going to get blended with this. After the transition shade, we're gonna take this deep orange, almost red color from our palette and put it again on the crease and blend it in with the transition shade. This is going to give us some color with our smoky eye, and it's not just gonna be straight up black smoky eye, but it'll have a shade of brown in it and a shade of this deep orange and red. I'm going to add another eyeshadow color on my eyes. It's going to be a little darker than the orange that we used. This one has a little more red in it, so it's going to give us a nice transition from the brown to the orange to the red and then to the black. Now we're going to take the black eyeliner pencil that we have, and I'm just going to put it on my eyelid like I do when I'm putting my eyeliner. And again, here we're going to add this black gradually into it instead of throwing a lot of black on your eyes and then just making it look really bad. I'm gonna add this black, and then I'm gonna take this small angle brush, blend it in, and fill my eye as much as I can with this product on my eyes. And then if I want more, I'll just keep adding more and more. Why we're using a black eyeliner first is because it's gonna give it a lot of base and it's gonna make the black pop out even more. If we're just using a black eyeshadow, then the black eyeshadow will not give as much coverage as it will if we use a black eyeliner and then a black eyeshadow. We're gonna take a black eyeshadow and put it on top of our eyelids, and then we're gonna make sure that we blend it with a fluffier brush so the color on our creases and the eyeliner and the black eyeshadow, everything blends in together. And we're gonna keep doing this until we feel satisfied with how our eyes look. Keep adding more color to your eyelids as you want. Doing this slowly helps you not throw a lot of color on your eyes and then you have to take it off to balance everything else. But start with small amounts and keep adding so you can have a fuller look, and you can stop when you think that the look gives you the look that you're going for. Yeah, we're gonna just repeat the same steps for our other eye and make sure that we blend a lot, because if we don't blend in a smoky eye, then you can see all the different transitions and you will not get the desired look that you want. So make sure that you really do blend all of the colors in, especially the black, so it doesn't look like an abrupt black on your crease. Yes, I'm also making sure here that I connect my upper eyelid to my waterline. After my foundation, I'm using my concealer to highlight the under eye areas and my nose and my chin. And then I'm just gonna blend it again in with my beauty blender. will go ahead with my True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder by Covergirl and set my concealer and my foundation. Now I'm contouring my face. One thing that I have learned about contouring is that you do not have to use the darkest brown shade to give you a sculpted look, but I actually saw this in Deepika's video. She's also a YouTuber. I will link her YouTube channel here, and she has just come up with an amazing line called Tinted, and it's for the brown girls. So you pretty brown girls, go check it out, and she's amazing. She's really pretty. So yeah, she made a video about the hacks of makeup, and one of the things that they talked about in that video was contouring and how we can just use the lighter brown shades and it's still going to give us a really nice sculpted look, and less is more, guys. So yeah, so here I'm contouring my face using the same technique, and I'm just putting it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my chin and my jaw line, but not a whole lot, and a little bit on my nose and my forehead. And I made sure that I put highlighter on my cheekbones and my chin and my nose, and especially my cupid's bow to make my lips pop in this video. So I'm just doing that with the fluffier brush to get that highlighter equally spread out and not just in one spot, like in a straight line that just makes your face shine in just that one spot. But you need to make sure that the highlighter is, well distributed among your, like on your cheekbones and your forehead and your chin and your nose. Now I am gonna put the blush on. The blush that I'm using is the Dream Touch blush by Maybelline, and it's more of like a cream that you can put on your cheek, and I mostly use this to highlight my face, so I am adding this on top of the highlighter that I already put on my cheeks. Now because my eye is really bold and dramatic, I'm going super mute on my lip. Now here's a trick. So when I layer my lip colors, after putting one layer of one shade, I use a paper towel or a tissue and I dab it on my lips and I take it off, and then I put the other shade, and this always makes my lip color stay on for a really long time than it usually does. So that's a little tip for you guys if you want to have your lip color stay all night long, then maybe you should try this out, and let me know in the comment section below if that trick helps you out. That was the Smokey Eye look that I did, and I absolutely love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know if you try this look on. If you post pictures on Instagram, you can feel free to tag me. Simply Simi, that's my Instagram name, in case you're not following me yet. And also, I am going to have a little giveaway really soon, and it's gonna be something from Shein. I'm still deciding on what I want, because the last time when I ordered things, I absolutely loved it. So keep an eye on my Instagram, and I will be posting more about it there. So, and again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video and share it with your friends who are also crazy party people and who want to do a smoky eye and haven't done it yet. And please let me know if you try it and if it was your first time trying the look, because I know how it feels, guys. I know. So yeah, thank you for sticking to the end, and yeah, let's make smiles and love go viral, my lovelies. See you next time. Bye.